Wouldn't it be great to have a delicious baked chicken dinner with just one pan and 5 ingredients, and it's on the table in less than 30 minutes? Pesto Chicken Bake. Let's do this. Hi, I'm Claire Tansey, the author of Dinner Uncomplicated. I believe everyone can cook, and I'm here with the tips and recipes to make your daily dinner ritual easy, fast, and delicious. There are just 5 ingredients in this easy pesto chicken bake. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a bit of grated mozzarella, some plum tomatoes, some of my delicious homemade parsley pesto, and some Parmesan cheese. I just love this recipe for an easy weeknight dinner. I'm going to put the chicken breasts here in a baking dish that I've lined with foil, and that's just really to make cleanup a little bit easier. Next up, I'll just brush them with a little bit of oil and sprinkle with a little bit of salt, just to get some seasoning right there next to the chicken. And salt here. Just sprinkle that evenly all over the chicken. All right, now I'm going to add some of my homemade parsley pesto. You could use any kind of pesto for this, but the parsley pesto is really special. Oh, and the link to that video is right here. You definitely want to make some of that. I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of pesto over the 4 chicken breasts. So that's about a tablespoon per chicken breast. And I'll just plop it on and then smear it around a bit. Okay, now I'm going to smear. Schmeary. All right, next up, a little bit of mozzarella, some grated mozzarella. You could certainly use cheddar if you wanted to, but I like the kind of gooey stringiness of mozzarella here. All right, I'm gonna add some tomatoes on top here. And I like to use plum tomatoes because they're not too big. When I originally developed this recipe, I was using, kind of rounder tomatoes, and those slices just kept falling off the chicken. So that's why I'm going to use some sliced plum tomatoes here. And then I'll just lay 2 slices of tomato right on top of each chicken breast. You can see why those large slices of tomato would have been falling off here. Great. Okay, just one last ingredient. I'm gonna finish these off with a bit of freshly grated Parmesan. I find the Parmesan on top gives these almost a pizza-ish kind of deliciousness. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of Parmesan on top right of the tomatoes. And I do like to use freshly grated Parmesan in all things. I find it has so much more flavor that you can use a lot less of it, and it just really delivers. This already looks and smells delicious, but I'm just gonna pop it into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll turn on the broiler to get that Parmesan cheese a little bit golden and crispy. The chicken has been in the oven for about 17 minutes, and then I turned on the broiler. Take a look. Now that is perfect pesto chicken. So there you have it, a delicious pesto chicken bake with just 5 ingredients, and it's on the table in less than 30 minutes. This is just one way to use pesto, and I've got 2 more great ways in here, plus 90 recipes that'll make dinner easy, fun, and delicious. Make sure to pick up your copy of Dinner Uncomplicated by clicking the link in the description below. And hey, why not subscribe and hit the bell? Join me in everything I do. Until next time, happy cooking.